And now I will show you how to use delete function. Go to forms, click on form and click on button. Edit the properties for this button. Click on button and rename the value to delete. Next, go to forms and drag the hidden field and rename it to htdelete, and go to bind to dynamic source, choose ID, click OK, and now go to server behaviors, click on plus sign button, choose delete record, choose the connection, delete from table register, select record from record set 1, and after deleting, go to edit user.asp, click OK, and save your file.